Welcome to another joyful day at Pragati Little Genius Play School. It's lemon party time. The day began with an exciting interaction. The teacher asked fun questions about lemons. And our little ones answered with bright smiles and curious minds.
Good morning, students.
Good morning, ma'am.
Do you know what we have celebrated today?
Lemon Day.
Lemon Day. What we have celebrated today?
Lemon Day.
Okay. So, can you tell me what is a lemon? It is a vegetable. What is a lemon?
It is a vegetable.
Very good. And what is the color of lemon?
Yellow.
What is the color of lemon?
Yellow.
What is the shape of lemon?
Oval.
Where does a lemon grow?
Tree.
On the trees. Where does a lemon grow?
On the tree.
What is the taste of lemon?
Sour.
What is the taste of lemon?
Sour.
Do you like lemons?
Yes.
Everyone like lemons?
Yes.
Children learned about the amazing benefits of lemons, how they boost immunity, help in digestion, and keep us hydrated during summers. Then came the most refreshing part, let's make lemonade. With tiny hands and big excitement, children squeezed lemons, added water, sugar, and a pinch of salt. Their very own homemade lemonade was ready to enjoy. Up next, it's rhyme time. Now our little stars will recite a cute lemon poem along with their teacher.
Lemon so yellow, sour and bright. Add some sugar. It just tastes right. Squeeze it, mix it. Stir it well. A glass of lemonade is what we sell. Thank you.
And what's a party without a little groove? Our kids enjoyed a happy, energetic dance session with their friends. Finally, it was time to capture memories, a cheerful photo session with lemons, laughter, and love. At Pragati Little Genius Play School, every day is a celebration of learning, fun, and togetherness. Thank you for joining us in this refreshing lemon party at Pragati Little Genius Play School. If you enjoyed watching our little learners explore, create, and celebrate, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel. We regularly share such joyful and educational moments from our school, and many more exciting videos are on the way. Stay connected with us, and watch our little geniuses grow, learn, and shine, only on the Pragati Little Genius Play School YouTube channel.